tried wall squat? Wall squat? Have you tried wall squat? No, these ones. Even the wall squat. Have you gone with the bar and pulling the bar? So Marina and I, we just talked about people who doesn't have any gym access. So you guys can really do a leg press. But people who has a knee surgery or like a knee issue, this is another alternative that maybe you can do squat using like bar stool or not the bar stool, like a kitchen counter or desk. So let me see if maybe our beautiful Marina and Rossy can do this. So idea, and then your body weight has to, yeah, exactly. So you stretch your elbows. So when you bend your knee, so hold on before you bend your knee. So bend your knee slightly. So now what I want you to do, you're gonna put your entire spine nice and center. Then imagine that your sit bone is slowly just coming down. So there's no tensions whatsoever on your knees right here. Yep. So this is perfect. So your knees basically totally not over your feet. It's beautiful 90-degree angle. So let's try to just chest a little bit. All right, good job. You're okay? Now slowly coming up. 2, 3, 4. How you doing, Rossy? Oh yeah, look at you. Let's go down. 2, 2, 3. Coming up. Perfect. Make sure that you're, yeah, so anybody who's watching this video, look at our beautiful Marina's back. And also her butt is basically not really sunk in. It's not tucked in. The butt has to be straight down to the bottom. And the spine has to be nice and center. And her entire, her spine down from the tailbone and top of the head really line up. Very good. And doing this way, you can totally just squat, right? You're okay with your knee, right? Yeah. Do you feel your thigh is getting work? Yeah. How you doing, Rossy? You totally, you're feeling your legs too. So you can totally just squat. People who has no gym access, you can hold on to the the desk or like in the kitchen counter. Holding onto the kitchen counter, then you're gonna come down right here. Doing this way, so you'll be able to absolutely targeting your quad, and you don't have to feel fear to doing the squat. So I mean, the whole idea when you come down here, your knees definitely a lot of trainers and therapists.
Therapy. They also teach.
Yeah, here, Rossy is doing the wall squat for you guys. Here this way. So how to do the wall squat, basically, let's do this way. So the first, let's show them. So the first, you have to push the butt, bring your entire back, bring the back of the head. Now you're gonna step about 2 feet away from the wall, 2 feet, and trying to bring your feet more parallel position so that your second toes and knee go in the same direction. All right, now a lot of elderly people, so they're who's sitting a lot, your upper back is basically a little slouching, a little forward. So trying to bring your scapula onto the wall, just like Rossy. Then you're gonna push your entire body weight onto the wall, and now just slowly come down. 2, 3. Stop. So your butt, knee down to the ankle, nice, 90-degree. And now slowly, imagine that your sit bone is pushing your body weight, coming up. 2, 3, 4, 5. The key is make sure that your back is always onto the wall. Exactly. And come down. So you're not gonna bang your butt all the way down to the floor. And coming up. Perfect. This is the wall squat that you can also try. Perfect, Rossy. And come here, honey. So maybe you can also try this chair. Yeah. So.
No, but you could, like, if you're holding on to, no, let's say even if you're holding on to your kitchen counter, wait.
Here we go.
You can't do that squat that we were doing before.
Yeah.
So you have that chair underneath for.
Yeah, that's a safety. Exactly, that's a safety.
You just don't touch your butt.
All right.
You just lightly go down. This way you feel secure because some people can't do that.
Right. So
Or
in
then
case-
when you get better, you do it without that.
Exactly. So just like that, just like what Marina did, and this will be able to have your second
Just in case.
safety, just in case you're gonna lose your
But you're not
balance.
going to touch your butt on.
Exactly. So make sure that your leg has to go a little bit farther. And
Well, for you, you need a shorter chair.
yeah, I need a little shorter chair.
A stool or
Yeah.
something.
Because I'm short and Marina is very tall. And anyway, so based on your height, so make sure to come down here so your knees really line up with your ankle. And then make sure that your back is not curved. Nice and center. Doing this way, you'll be able to really targeting onto your quad muscle.
Right.
Yeah. So whenever you do any muscle resistance workout, you have to focus on what muscle you are targeting. Yeah, so you have to focus on that. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Yeah, so
Bye-bye.
come down here. Put your face on it.
A nice weekend.
Yeah, you want to say like you're hey, Marina, saying Greek to say something like good weekend and
Kalimera na έχετε όλοι. Let's have a nice day, everybody.
okay, Kalimera.
Kalimera.
Kalimera. And
안녕하세요.
Rosie,
Que tengan un buen fin de semana. Buenos días. Bye.
Buenos dias, bye. 여러분께도 도움 되길 바라고요. 자, 그럼 저는 다음에 또 영상 가지고 오겠습니다. 들어가세요. 감사합니다. Thank you very much for watching. If you like to have more exercise like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys. Bye bye.